You will now participate in a computer science essentials prep lesson. As adults, we all likely know how to use computers, but let's take it one step further and learn how computers work. Pause this video to retrieve a blank piece of paper and a writing utensil. Once you have those items, resume this video to move through the activity. You are going to be making a copy of an image, something computers do all the time. To do so, you'll begin by asking questions and imagining yourself as a computer. I will act as the programmer, and you will act as the computer. You will need to follow my instructions exactly. Ready? Let's begin. Draw a triangle. Below that triangle, draw an upside-down triangle, leaving some space between the two triangles. In between the two triangles, draw a square. Outside the square, draw a circle. Now, take a look at your drawing and compare it to the picture I intended for you to copy. Chances are your drawing does not look exactly like the one you see on the screen. But why might that be?